Howdy doody, guys. We're outside on the Tuono. It's been a while. We did a few things to the bike. The nice weather is back. It's beautiful. How can you not ride on a day like this? We got my boy Adam. It's a good day to be outside. Oh. That's a brother. Gotta get gas. Oh my gosh, it's like a little warmer than hoodie weather, so it's just perfect weather. Man, I wish I could learn how to like keep my stuff clean. Look at all the little, like, I don't even know what that's from. Overspray from that, when I wipe that off, that's what it is. 91. Huh? You might as well. There you go, sir. We're gonna have to test how well this windscreen works. I can't tell if it's dorky or not, because the other one stopped like right here.
I like it.
I think it'll grow on me. If I feel less wind, I'll be happy. Bug just hit me in my eyebrow. I gotta make sure my brake works. It's kind of sketchy. I mashed it down and it's not there. I don't know if it needs rebuilt or... Kinda. Really gotta push down on it, and there's a whole bunch of travel before it actually like connects. Someone help. The front feels okay. I don't know, compared to the Daytona, this bike is so much more soft, mushy. There's just, I don't know what, more feel? Is that what you call that? There's just more feel in the front brake. Which I like it the other way. I like it to bite instantly. Like when I pull the brake lever, I want there to be braking force. The rear could be a little softer than just like instant brake. Still, I don't want it to be like a sponge. Spongy back brake is sketchy. Woo! I'm scared! I think I spun. My music. Oh, it's just really quiet. It's on. Hello? There we go. There we go. I love this bike. It's comfy. It's efficient. It's fast. It's a monster. There's power everywhere. It's not like top speed fast, but it's so quick and just obnoxious. But it's just regular traffic. Like it doesn't look like it rides like it does, you know? It's a good bike. I think it's the best street bike. Honestly. The best in this class at least. But I'm biased. What time is it? Oh, we were supposed to meet him at 7. Oopie. Baby, that air feels good. Bye. This windscreen actually helps a lot. It feels like it kicks way more air up over my head. This is nice. Fitment, garbage. I'll go over that later if I remember to. Fitment is trash, but if it doesn't fly off or like shatter in front of me, solid. 9 out of 10. I really want to try more stand-ups, but I'm scared. Toxic Trait is thinking that I could do one just like easy, but I cannot, and I'm scared every time I try. like get ready to, I set my body up, and then I'm like, even if I do it, my brain is like, nope. This way? Okay. Okay. Better. Yes. Yes. What is going on today? It's like tents and stuff all set up downtown. Let's see who's here at this undisclosed location. Shall not be named, but is very much public knowledge. Hello? What did you say? Today is a vibe. There's no wind, no June bugs out. They're all at the nest, the spawn point. I need to learn how to wheelie. Oh! I want to do the, like, I'm my own backpack thing, but I'm so scared. Oh, shit! There we go. Oh! Bye-bye! What am I listening to? This way. I look behind me and Jack's full tuck. Hey! Oh, it's beautiful out. Okay. Oh my God! Oh Lord have mercy. Honestly, that wasn't bad. Like, it didn't feel that awkward. It just spooked me. Oh my goodness. Well, that was wild. We go left. No, turn left. Follow the bright red hoodie. Clemens! Oh no. Yes. Can you keep it down over there? I'm trying to enjoy the peace and quiet, and they're just revving their motor. You think they need help?